Ha, mphethu Guns. Game yafana awuthi uyibone kanjalo. Ha ngimnandi. Wena unjani mfethu?
Happiness. Oze iPirates iyakwenza ukhulume in tongues. Fina usubiza ukhabaribere.
Fire. Ebebele.
Fire! Kukhala umakhelwane. Uyabazi abe-Chiefs babekhala manje. Amathanga sesisendile fire. Asendile.
Ngicela ungitshele mfethu ngegame yafana asikele kuyo sithi kuyihlephula kancane ne. First half Orlando Pirates created couple of chances but they couldn't convert. Mawubhekile what was the problem?
Yona mfethu yazini I understand the coach is giving our players now an opportunity to shine, but I think the opportunity was supposed to be given to in midfield, whereby Sifaka Mbule first half, so that we can execute ama passes avulisa isikhala. You understand? Mbule will bring the ball to him and execute ama passes through pass. Austin Police, you know, he's a man of the match today because of his abilities. If you do Mbule passing him the ball, we're going to do brilliance. 4-0 in first half.
And then second half comes, Imarumo Gallants looked to be a bit stronger than the Orlando Pirates. What was the problem in the second half?
The thing is, in second half, it goes to the coach. Tactical changes. Understand that Omar Hopper was good there in front. He's got a height, and the height, ama cup games. We need height, error goals. We need players avulisayo. Touch-wise, Umakopa can run and can create chances. So tactically, that was a coach, Marumo Gallants, winning the game at the second half. But you know, it's transfer Pagania. We push it to the end.
Right to the end. Man of the match today. If you were given authority to choose man of the match, Sinigaban.
But I want to president number 2000. Umfana yashayina.
Right home
always. Right home Raifet. Once and always.
Guns ngiyabonga nemfowethu.
New town from Jozi, you know the story.
Danko.